Today we're going to deal with what my friends like to call the edge area, where the old meets the new. So we're going to get to it. And then we also have a spongy part of the roof up there in the corner, and I don't know what's going on exactly. I do know that several years ago we had problems with carpenter ants, and I know that they had a nest up in the foam that is sprayed up against the roof deck. So we're going to tear off and see what's going on up there and then deal with that. What a big reveal. Oh yeah. It doesn't look so good. Those are ants. There's an ant. This is bad. Look at this. It's just dirt. Carpenter ants will move in wherever there is wet wood to munch on, but I don't think we had any wintertime condensation issues, which is really good. It looks like we had a leak in the metal ridge cap, and rainwater pooled on the sheathing about 6 feet down from the ridge. To make the repair, I replace all the bad wood and cover the entire roof with ice and water shield to keep the rain out. To protect the rest of the exterior, I cover the wall with a peel and stick barrier. And then I caulk around the rafter tails to completely seal the roof. Now that I've dealt with the edge area between the existing house and the new building, we can show you the wall framing in the next video. See you then.